All right, guys, with all the deals coming out with the Galaxy Note 9 popping up on us, some of us are still going to rock with our Galaxy Note 8s, and the best thing you can do is get yourself a premium case. This is the way that I keep myself entertained with my smartphones, if you will, if you want to call it being entertained. Just change the case up, man. This isn't a new case, but it is new. This is one of my favorite leather cases that I got for the Galaxy Note 8 back in 2017. So this case is almost a year old. It's really nice. It's a premium leather case from BURKLEY, and look at how it's been holding up. Really nice. The Galaxy Note 8 is still going to be a very popular phone, and for some people they're not going to update to the Galaxy Note 9 or upgrade to the Galaxy Note 9. You're going to stay with your Galaxy Note 8. So the best thing you can do for yourself is grab you a very nice case. Now this case is a rugged style case and grippier on the edges, but it does have premium leather. This will run you about 70 bucks, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide you want to pick it up. If not, try to find a case that's suitable for you. But it's not just the case, you get the wallet portion as well, and this is the best part about this, man. This does mess with your wireless charging, for those that are going to ask that. But I don't use wireless charging because I think the fast charger on the cable is super fast. But this is how it's going to look on your phone, which is super premium, man. This just sets the Galaxy Note 8 off. You can still make phone calls with it closed because it has the cutouts there for the earpiece. As you can see, they go all the way through there. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Yeah, there you go. Goes all the way through. So now I've actually made phone calls with it, obviously. So a little worn out on this side for me, you know, taking money in and out and cards in and out. But the leather is holding up really well. You got that BURKLEY branding down there. And you can also use this as a kickstand if you choose to. I don't normally like to use phones on kickstands like this, but you can, you know, you can use it in a kickstand form. Just seems kind of weird to me watching a movie with just like this on my wallet. I just hold the phone, but overall, man, this case has held up really well over the almost year that it's been in use. And the more you use leather, obviously real leather, as you can see, it's gonna break in and it's gonna wear in. So this phone is like brand new to me. Plus I really like their logo down there. But this BURKLEY case is really nice. You get the wallet portion for your ID and a couple of credit cards or whatever you want to use it for, and then you also get the separate portion for if you don't want to carry the wallet. This leather portion is, this color is, I don't know, it just reminds me of brandy, you know, a drink of brandy. I don't drink anymore, but brandy is what this reminds me of for some reason. All ports and everything are cut out down here. Lines up perfectly fine, man. You got access to your S Pen with no issues. Microphone cutout, speaker grill, charging sync, headphone down there, the microphone cutout on top. And as you can see, this works well with the white stone dome. To me, this is kind of the perfect screen protector for devices if you choose so to purchase and invest in a, if you don't switch phones a lot, then the white stone dome, if it's available for your phone, definitely grab it. So it's your man Jay Will, update on the BURKLEY case for the Galaxy Note 8. Man, I really like this case. This has got to be my favorite case, man. Alongside some others, but this is premium right here. So again, it's been almost a year with this, man. It is holding up nice. The leather is kind of wearing, like I said, really strong, really good. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to pick it up. You know, there's no kickbacks or anything like that, but I just wanted to share what I would consider a great combination for the Galaxy Note 8. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.